Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to retrieve mass emails from the trash folder. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so once you've decided to retrieve your emails from trash, all you need to do is click more and then go to the trash folder. Then select all the emails that you want to put again or retrieve back to your inbox, like for example this one, and this one. You can also mass select using this button right here. And then once you've clicked or selected all the emails that you want to retrieve, what you're going to do is just click this move to and then click inbox. You can also put them to the spam folder if you want to. Okay, so once I move them to the inbox, as you can see, the action has been completed. And then let's check my inbox. All the files or all the emails that I've retrieved was put it back in my inbox, as you can see here, and all of them is currently on red, so you can easily see what emails you have retrieved from your trash. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye.